In this video, I'll show you how to remove a table without deleting the text in Microsoft Word. If you want to keep the text but remove only the table, there's a simple method. Let's say you want to delete this table but keep the text inside it. First, select the table and double-click on it. Now, click on the Table Layout tab. Here, you'll find an option called Convert to Text. This option converts your table into regular text. When you click it, a window will pop up asking how you want to separate the text, using paragraph marks, tabs, commas, or other characters. Choose the separator you prefer, then click OK. As you can see, the table is now removed, but your text remains perfectly intact. And that's it! A quick and easy way to delete a table without losing your text in a Microsoft Word document. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.